Fair enough. Welcome. So business object is the new tool of SAP. It's known as Business Objects Business Intelligence. Now it is known as SAP BI, which is SAP Business Intelligence, which includes all reporting tools of the business objects. Clear?
Yeah.
Hello? Clear?
Yes.
So what is the history of business objects? Business objects was first started in the year 1990s by Dennis Prey and Bernard, who was the co-founders of Business Objects, and the headquarters was in Paris. In late 2005, the discussion started, and ultimately in 2007, SAP purchased Business Objects. Business Objects was a standalone company with 4,000 odd members. At the end of 2006, they purchased it. The SAP purchased Business Objects. That's a small gist that I'm giving it to you. But this is they had the offices, the headquarters in Paris, California, the San Jose, and also in Vancouver, which is the biggest office was in Vancouver. It was taken over at 6.8 billion or 7 billion approximately, and it was acquired by SAP, and it was known as SAP Business Objects from there on, from 2007. So this is the industry, computer software industry, acquired by SAP in 2007. It was founded in 1990, and San Jose, California, and Paris were the key areas where they were focusing on, and the offices were in all the three places. That is San Jose of California and Paris of France were the headquarters, basically. The key founders of the key people, John and Bernard, and subsequently they had different products that have been released. Apparently, we are only focusing on business objects, which is now taken over by SAP, and we are going to work on Service Pack, Business Objects 4.0, Service Pack 5, Patch 7. It was a deal of $1.77 billion in 2005. Was taken over at the end of quarter two of 2006. They had close to 5,000 employees, which is 4,977 approximately was the total number of employees that were there as of Business Objects is concerned. And then when it's 2007, SAP took over Business Objects, and they coined the name as SAP Business Objects. Now, Business Objects has been in a great demand with various areas, and it's been used as a tool for developing reports and also dashboards. Most of the tools only either support dashboards or they support only reports. The combination of both is seen in Business Objects, and thus we address Business Object as it's a tool for addressing the volatile market by the versatile people. So you understand what exactly a volatile market is and what a versatile people is. A volatile market is basically unstable. It's nothing stable out here. It's unstable. There's no, we don't know what's going to happen when and where, what is going to be the situation. We don't know how the market is going to fall. There's a lot of background noise coming.
Yeah, actually, my roommates are doing something.
Oh, okay.
Let me put you on mute.
Okay, okay, fine, no issues. When you are having any questions, please do open this.
Yeah. Does you have any questions?
Yeah, sure. So it addresses the volatile market. It's basically the versatile people who are capable of handling the market is what it's going to govern. Basically, the people who are into the analysis portion, or people who want the upper level or high level management would love to have the reports in hand, not only to these two segments of people, but also to the lower level who monitors the way how the data is, the trend of the data flowing in, basically. So this is very, very important. So this is a tool that going to give you enhanced information as of how your enterprise is performing as of date when compared to previous years. And also going forward, we'll have the new version called the predictive analysis, where you can say this is what is going to take place in the future. That's the Future, the portion of it as far as SAP is concerned, they're looking at predictive analysis as a what do you call the next scope of business objects. Already it's in place, but they're fine-tuning a lot of things as a predictive analysis. Now you have, I said it's a volatile market, increased focus of risk, regulations is not stable, it goes here and there, increasing in globalization, a lot of pressures on margins, and new potentiality, new information, new technology is coming up into segments where they have to focus on. So that's SAP is keen on developing or enhancing the tools that could help the analysts to understand how the market is flowing. Is it clear? Any questions for you?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
No, nothing. Just like I mean, all these things need to be. I mean, we should be aware before going to the tool. I just want to know that one.
It's not, because I'm just giving information as to why the tool is used.
Okay.
It is not necessary to know all those things. It's just an information. I just not start a presentation by saying this is the tool, this is the tool, this is the tool. I'm just giving information before getting into the tool.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the purpose of this tool? It is basically to address different people for different segments. One, exclusively for managers, executives and managers. And the second one is business analysts who are very involved with the data, who indicate or tells as to how the company is progressing. This is the main area, that's analysts basically, then the day-to-day operational information for the consumers. These are the three areas that basically it's been segmented, and this is how they are working into. Clear? Next is just the business objects is spread across all the segments of your enterprise division, may it be executive, may it be your end users, day-to-day users, IT operations, any departments you take into consideration, sales, operations, IT, FMS, finance, marketing, any area of your the organization is concerned, it's been taken into consideration because everything revolves around data. As simple as that. So strategy for business objects. So what exactly SAP is planning to, just to not to show you, this is how they are planning. They are planning to do it in a bigger way, wherein they can connect to all social hubs, basically like Twitter, Facebooks, then your Google, a lot of other things that are there. So Hadoop is also one of the databases that they have along with SAP HANA, and social hubs like Twitter, Facebooks, and all other transactional database like R3, Oracle, MS SQL, all those things are segmented together. These are the base for your data. From there, you're pushing on directly to mobile by creating certain segments. I'll come to it as to what are the tires that are going to take place as of movement of data from these databases to your end segment called the mobile. So basically, their focus is to make life simpler by providing all the information on your mobile without any disruption. So walk in with data anywhere and everywhere. So this is basic more what do you call information. This has been explained out here. SAP Business Object Business Intelligence, the strategy focus, which is BI 4.0. Now it has come to 4.1, which is recently released somewhere in the month of October, and just getting into the market as of business objects is concerned. Not much of difference between 4.0 and 4.1, but a bit of enhancements with respect to the pain areas that were faced with respect to Android devices not able to see the dashboards and the reports. That's the reason. There are a lot of other things that are coming as of the picture is concerned, enhancement is concerned, so that I can take it later as of 4.1 is concerned. What are the benefits of having on 4.1 in another session? So basically, this whole focus, the strategy focus, didn't change. It's innovation without disruption. So their focus is basically to work on various areas and various segments. Ultimatum is to have the dashboards and the reports seen on your mobiles. That's the thing. And they are totally focused on getting these in place. So as far as connectivity is concerned, as far as the database is concerned, it has a very good connectivity with Hadoop, which is also known as the big data. So this gives good connectivity to Hadoop with a source called universe. So you connect the Hadoop database into the universe, and you can start working. Similarly, I have a very good improved integration with business warehouse, which is part of SAP itself, and it has a direct one-to-one connection with the BW systems or your analytical or what we call as OLTP systems. OLAP systems. They also have very good connections to other TCOs like SAP, Oracle, etc., etc., etc. And have been with SAP HANA is an upcoming apart from business objects. So they have a very good integration with HANA, which is also a database, which is a upcoming database for SAP. Any questions?
Yeah, actually, this one, can we connect to Hadoop database also?
Yes, you can connect to Hadoop database also. Using
Hadoop also,
yes,
right?
Yes, Apache Hadoop.
So is there any database which we can't connect for BO reporting?
There are about 18 databases that are there.
Your voice is breaking, sir. In between, I'm missing the word.
There are about 18 databases which you can connect to with business objects.
So, and okay, it means is it means like it can connect to every database?
I can show you the list of data. I can show you the list of databases that you can connect to.
I got what you're telling. We can connect to 18 databases. My doubt is, is there any database which we can't connect to BO or something like that?
Well, I can't give an answer on that because I'm not familiar with all the databases.
Okay, fine, no issues. I just want to know. I just want to know like BO can be connected to any database or
most
just
of the
only
databases.
Okay,
most
fine.
of the databases.
Yeah, fine.
Including your what do you call the latest they acquired what do you call Sybase Unwide platform. Sybase database also they can connect to. They have Apache. Then they have a lot of other things. I can show it to you if you want to have a look at it.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay, that's not a problem at all. I can show it to you what all, because there are two levels of it. One is the relational database. The other one is OLAP database. OLAP is more into. I'll come to it when it comes. I'll show it to you. I can explain it to you. So coming on to the data tier, if you look into it, it's been split into the tiers of business object. There are 5 tiers basically: data tier, processing tier, intelligence tier, application tier, and the client tier. So graphically, it has been represented on the left-hand side, and verbally, it is what do you call? It's graphically represented on the right-hand side, and the information with respect to these layers are being expressed in the left-hand side. So you have the database, you have basically OLAP, SQL, BW, SQL and BW, relational database, ODBC, OLEDB, and a lot more here. Then other databases like CRM, ERP, COM, and XML, and you also have with 4.1, you have Twitter, Amazon, Facebook, etc. coming into picture. You can also work on HANA platform. You can work on a Microsoft Excel. A lot of other applications are taken into consideration for your for bringing the data into reporting stream. Then you have the processing tier. Then you have the business intelligence tier. Then the application tier. Basically, the reporting tools and the dashboard basically plays a vital role. And the output of these are seen in Apple, Android, Windows Mobile, BlackBerry, whatever web browsers are, and on for your work. Any questions with this?
No,
hello?
Nothing.
Are you getting the picture?
Yeah, I'm getting nothing, no doubt.
Okay. So it's a enlarged version of the previous slide that you are seeing. It's just a replica of the same information, because I just wanted to show you side by side so it becomes easy for you to understand what exactly it's all about. Next is it also business object also connects to the the online OLTP online transaction process of BW. Basically, it connects to more precisely. It connects to SAP ERP systems like InfoSets or InfoSet Queries or ABAP Functions or a functional module of ABAP. I don't know if you're aware of the transaction or the SAP ERP system. Are you aware of SAP ERP system, or we call it as ECC system? Hello?
Hello, sir, your voice is completely breaking.
Is it clear now?
And now it is clear. Previously what you told in this slide is breaking completely.
Okay. This has a very good connection to SAP or OLTP systems. There's transaction systems. The transaction for SAP is more towards ABAP programs or the functional modules of ABAP. Then the InfoSets and the InfoSet Queries, which connects through Universe 2 and on the reports which are based out of the Universe, like Crystal reports, business object dashboards, Explorer, and Web Intelligence. Are you aware of ABAP or ECC or whatever it is of SAP ERP system?
Yeah, I heard the terminology, but I'm not completely aware.
Okay, something similar to that of the other transactional process, but this is also similar where you have the tables and all these parameters. This becomes a source for your data warehousing concepts of your BW system, SAP BW. Okay?
Yeah.
The ABAP or ECC becomes the source for your BW system. BW system is an OLAP system and for analytical purpose, and the data is pushed from your OLTP system to OLFA system, where an ETL is taken place. Once the ETL is completed, you have all the data which are there in the OLTP in OLAP. Clear? You may come out of mute if you want, because I'm not in a position to. I would like to have an answer from you. Hello?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So you understood,
hello,
the
yes.
concept of, you understood the concept of OLAP and OLTP, right?
Yeah.
And how it connects to SAP ERP system. It is the universe that helps you to connect the SAP ERP system, or in other words known as ECC, or in other words known as ABAP system. By using Universe, you connect to ABAP programs, InfoSets and InfoSet Queries, and then once you are finished with the Universe, you can create your own Crystal reports, dashboards, Explorer, or Web Intelligence on top of Universe.
Okay.
Next is convert insight into action. So you can create your own Crystal reports, dashboards. Then you can have execute ABAP reports from your systems. You can directly connect to BW systems like InfoSet Queries, or your cubes, or your BEX queries. All these things with respect to SAP is taken care apart from the relational, because they have one-to-one relationship between the SAP systems and the BO, because both are one company. Apart from the